The MLA of Nongpoh constituency, Miralbon's Aim, held a review meeting with the official of the health department yesterday. Speaking to the media after the review meeting, Aim said in the meeting they have discussed the upgradation of sub-center to primary health center and also to set up sub-center in other villages. He further said he has taken up this issue to ensure that the proposal for the upgradation of Umshaken sub-center to PHC will be taken up this financial year.
Yes, so that small issue we have to take care of that. Once that is done, it's a small issue with the operation care complex. Yes, so that small issue we have to take care of that. Once that is done.
With regards to few concern with the department within Nongpoh constituency and the district as a whole. The first point where we had a review meeting is with regard to the increase of infrastructure and the upgradation of various sub-center to PHC. Point number one is that we have reviewed that the upgradation of Umshaken sub-center to PHC should be taken on a priority mode.
Nongpoh MLA Miralbon's Aim yesterday met